She's a roller girl, and she's rocking all the time. Take an elbow to the eyeball for a chance to make her mine. She's a roller girl, and tonight she won't have to be sweet. No. Drop the hammer for the jammer, please. Since you came to me, she's the roughest, toughest, coolest thing in history. Roller girl, she really knocks me on my feet. Sometimes she gets a little black and blue. She calls them temporary tattoos. The perfect girls take a picture quick and look away. Mama says good girls don't act that way. So what? She's never been considered cool. So what? Nothing's changed much since high school. When people put her down, they forced her to a bow.